Hello and welcome to the channel. Here is what I found on the street. The vintage portable drill stand made by Vermont American company. It's designed for use with 1/4 or 3/8 drills, and with the addition of the hand drill can deliver functionality of the portable drill press. More of that. This particular stand is designed to be used in different orientation modes, which I will demonstrate in this video. And this is a bracket to hold the drill in the stand. This small bracket is adjustable, and together with the first bracket allows to keep drill in a firm position. Here is a small aluminum table with the flat and recessed profiles, which could be useful for holding pieces of material. It could be adjusted by height if it is in use, or move out of working space if it's not needed. The stand has a base, and because the stand is portable, it could be moved to any place where you can drill on big surfaces that cannot be worked on the regular drill press. The head of the stand is vertically adjustable and could be raised up to 16 inches in height. And here is the best part of the stand. It could be converted to the horizontal drill press, which will allow to drill holes in long pieces of material, as I will show in this video. And another thought I had, that this position of the drill press could be converted to some kind of latte. This could be very interesting conversion. To complete the stand and make it to be a drill press, I will use my old corded Craftsman drill. Let's try it. I inserted a drill bit and I am checking its orientation. Should be 90 degrees all around, and it is 90 degrees. Connecting the drill to the power. And making a hole in a piece of wood. All works, and it is a good sign. And now I am going to demonstrate how this drill press could be used in a mode that extends its functionality. I am removing the table and using a dedicated hole on the drill press head, placing the drill in a horizontal position. Fixing it by using associated bolt, and I'm going to drill a hole in a long piece of wood, which I want to use as a leg for a small table in my another project. Now checking if the screw I inserted in the hole is perpendicular to the surface. And that makes this drill press function very useful. I did not mention before, but the drill press has a common mechanism for adjusting the depth of drilling, and the maximum length is about 2.5 inches. I moved the piece of material by hand while drill was in still position. Now I show that I can use the drill press handle to move the drill bit forward and back if I clamp the piece of wood to be in still position. This method might be more appropriate and convenient. Thanks for watching. As always, likes, subscriptions and comments are welcome. And until next time, goodbye.